Hello my beautiful princesses and welcome back to my channel. This is going to be another segment of Gains by Julie. Today we have a really good upper body workout, mainly focused on your shoulders. But before we get into the video, a lot of people have been asking me why I haven't been doing any beauty videos lately. I do have a lot of things planned coming up, but lately I've been very into my fitness, super obsessed, super committed, and I want my channel to be more based on me, and that's what I'm currently obsessed with and what I'm currently working on. So that's what I like to share with you guys. Aside from that, yeah, I am gonna have a couple beauty videos coming up soon, but let's be honest, I'm not really that amazing when it comes to makeup, and I'm actually learning alongside you guys as I make these videos. I'm learning as well. I'm not like a complete pro, so that's something that I like to do when I'm gonna go out or when I do have plans. You guys know I barely do ever have plans, so this has been my look lately. I've been natural all day, every day, just do my eyebrows and walk out, literally. That's all I do. So I just wanted to give you guys a little backstory as to why I'm doing more Gains by Julie videos rather than any beauty and fashion videos. But again, they are coming. Those videos are coming. They're gonna be here sometime soon, but just not yet. But without further ado, let's get started on this video. The first thing I do for a good upper body day is I warm up the part of the body that I'm gonna focus on. Since this is a shoulder workout mainly, you can use any type of band you want. It could be super stretchy or maybe not that much. You can have one with some resistance. This one I have a light resistance yellow band. I'm gonna warm up doing some band pull-aparts. We're gonna do this for 3 sets, 20 times, not stopping. And again, this has a very light resistance, but you should be feeling it every single time you're pulling out. To start our shoulder workout, we're gonna do the shoulder press, but we're gonna do this standing up. So you have to make sure your body is nice and straight, your feet are shoulder width apart, and you're pulling up that barbell from chest to sky, chest to sky. And you're gonna do this for 4 sets, 10 to 12 reps. Next, we're gonna do my absolute favorite shoulder workout lately. I'm really obsessed with it. It's called Around the Worlds. For this, we're gonna use a plate. You can do whatever weight plate. I like to do low weight, more reps, but again, everybody's different. So for this exercise, you would just grab a plate of any weight you want, and you're gonna spin it around your head as if your head was the world. So hence the name Around the Worlds. I'm gonna do this for 4 sets, 8 to 10 reps. Trust me, you will feel the burn, so no more than 10 reps. Next, we're gonna do a superset. This is also one of my really favorite supersets that are super effective for your shoulders, and it's the front raises along with the lateral raises. You can use any type of dumbbell of your choice, and all you do is you grab it with both of your hands, extend them out either in front of you or from the side, whichever one you want to start with first, and you just bring it up. Bring those dumbbells up from bottom up until shoulder height and back down. Then to the side, up, shoulder length, down, then back down. And you're going to do this for 4 sets, 8 to 12 repetitions. Once you've felt that burn, that real shoulder burn, we're gonna do either a bicep exercise or a tricep exercise. I like to pick either one during my upper body days, just so I'm not just focusing and killing my one part of the body. So for this day, I decided to do some triceps, and I started off with some overhead tricep extensions. All you have to do is take that rope thingy, you connect it to the cable, put it a little bit higher than your head, and you just extend that tricep right out above your head. Any weight you want. I like to do, again, low weight, and you do 3 sets of 10 reps. By this time you're going, girl, I can't do this anymore. It's so much. My arms are killing me. Well, you're gonna do one more, and this is gonna be the best finisher for your triceps and those shoulders. And it's gonna be the tricep dip. You can go to those like assisted pull-up machines or whatever you want to call it, and you use the bars that are to the bottom side, and all you do is dip and dip, and trust me, you'll feel it in your triceps. And since we've also worked our shoulders, you will also feel a burn in your shoulders. This we're going to do for 3 sets and 20 reps. So I recommend keeping your eye on that weight and feel the burn. But that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys felt that burn on the upper body. I hope you guys see those bolder shoulders right after this workout, because trust me, the pump is real. Don't forget to subscribe, give me those thumbs up, and comment in the comment box below. I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I will see you guys next time. Bye.